let's know more and understand more of complete interface and environment of Google Docs. Right now you can see I have opened a Google Doc, and right now you can see in here the icon, and it's where you can rename your document. And now also it's where you store your document. Okay, the store part is a little bit tricky because when you store a document, it'll be moved to OneDrive into start folder. So let me start this document. I'm gonna start this document. We're gonna go on to each options of the interface. Once you start your document, it'll be moved to here. So you can click in here, and right now you can see that this document is there. So that's about this star. In here we have move. We can move around the Google OneDrive. We can move this document to any folder, to anywhere we want it. So once you click, you will have many options. You can move to particular folder, or you can move to a particular area. Any options is necessity thing for you. For example, let's move back and go back here. You can move to computer, shared with me, start event, and you can go to my drive right now, and you can click in here, and you can move it as well in here. So that's about moving. And meanwhile, you can create a folder and then move it again there. Okay, so it's very easy. And also you can open in a new tab. So that's very nice option. Next, we see our status document, where it is. Right now, this document is ready for offline use, and all saved changes and all changes are saved to drive. Okay, so that's pretty nice. In here, we have open document history. Okay, this is the first bar we went through right now. This is common history that you can see right now. For now, there is no common history even, and I can see all common history. I can filter it, and I can turn on notifications for them. I can add a new comment. For now, there isn't anything, so we can't add anything. All right. We have also present to a meeting. For now, there isn't any meeting, so that's why it's not showing up. But if it was, so it would really be able to present to a meeting. Okay, it's very easy. Finally, we have shared a document. We can share to anyone using this button. We will talk about it into the file as well. Right now we have Google account. So that is all about the here. Now let's go to the menu. So this is your menu bar, as you can see right now. Also, this is here. It shows your version history, and you can click, and then it shows different version history. We're gonna talk a little bit about it into file, okay? So don't worry about it in here. So don't worry. And also we have toolbar available for us, which is very nice, cool options for us. This is the first thing we'll learn in here, okay, in the next lecture. And so this option will hide it, and we are gonna again unhide it. And down in here we have our headings that are showing up. For now, there isn't anything to show up. I'm gonna click back in here. We have our ruler, as you can see right now. And down in here we have our type of programs that are available for us. We will take a look at them. And then we can see also explore button, where you can explore a particular word or a thing. And finally, we can see our page that is showing up in here for us to display anything. Okay, so that's our page that's possible for us. So that's it about the a complete interface of Google Docs. Next time we will focus on what tools are doing in here and what are they for.